In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change network on your Google Nest Hub. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to change the Wi-Fi network that you currently have set up on your Google Nest Hub, then first you will have to forget the network, and then after you forget the network from your Google Nest Hub, you will be able to reconnect. So, to do this, open the Google Home app. For this method, you will need to open the Home app where you have the Nest Hub connected and then select it from the list. So choose the Google Nest Hub from the list of Google Home devices, and you will find Device Settings. If you don't see it, look at the top right corner of the screen. Inside of the device settings, you will see the current Wi-Fi network that you have here. Now, choose the option to forget this network. So first, like I said before, you will have to forget the current network that you have connected to your Nest Hub. And once it is forgotten, you will simply have to reconnect the Nest Hub. For whatever reason, Google makes this a little bit annoying to do because after the network has been forgotten, you will need to go over to Google Home, choose the devices category, and then add a new device. If you still see it from this list, you can tap on it and choose the option to remove that device. It's simply going to tell you that it is not active. So now choose the option to add a new device, select Google Nest or partner device, and then follow the instructions on screen. As long as your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, you are in close proximity of the Nest Hub, and you follow the instructions there, you will be able to have it connected. Once you do this, choose the new Wi-Fi network that is going to be used within the Nest Hub, and then it is going to be reconnected into Google Home with the new Wi-Fi. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.